New arrival auto-fold compact stroller from Italy, we have Chicco Goody X Plus. Support from newborn up to 22 kg, approximately 4 years old. Leather handlebar, aluminum frame with matte color. The frame color is matched according to the fabric color. Adjustable and expandable canopy with a UV50 plus protection and a peekaboo window. Adjustable 2-level leg rest and a 4-level backrest. Come with 5-point harness, removable rubber bubble bar. Goody X Plus have a higher backrest with 47 cm and a total length of 87 cm. 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐜𝐜𝐿 is a Chicco Research Center medical endorsement to improve lateral restraint and correct position to prevent flat head with a soft touch fabric, adjustable infant position and adjustable lateral padding. 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐜𝐜 is an additional add-on for Daddy Mommy. Connected brake, 1 step to stop, release to go. 4-wheel suspension, front and back. With 8 bearing for efficient shock absorption. Front 15 cm, back wheel 17.5 cm. Enhanced handling experience with bigger wheel and the wheel equipped with resilient EVA+Rubber standard size basket. And it's come with a free rain cover. Let's look at the folding mechanism. That's Chicco Goody X Plus. Comment below and tell us what features attract you the most. Follow us for more new arrival product review. Thank you for watching. I'm Joseph's Baby Boss.